Hi friends, today we are talking about Toolhive by Stacklok, the open source MCP platform trusted by developers and enterprises. This is about running any MCP server securely, instantly, and anywhere. The problem to be solved is that MCP setup is a mess. It might happen that you clone any random repo and you are making your system more unstable. You might be pasting API keys into anywhere, .env files across your home that can be exfiltrated with a supply chain attack, and perhaps every MCP server is running with full access to your machine or at least to your home. There is no isolation, no audit, no sandbox. So there should be a better way, right? A better way is Toolhive. With Toolhive you can use the CLI, the THB command. You can have also the desktop UI, and you can also integrate it with Kubernetes. It's open source, and this is about running, securing, and managing MCP servers so that every server lives in an isolated container with a minimal permission profile. So we have three problems because it's sandboxed by default. You have one CLI for all of them, for all the MCP servers you have. You have your secrets encrypted, not in plain text. How does it work? Well, you have your AI client, which can be Cloud, Cursor, VS Code, OpenCode, and it's going to use standard input-output or HTTP, the Toolhive proxy, which is caring about authentication, audit, and routing. And Toolhive is going to access the MCP servers that are configured on it. The setup is pretty easy, just like 60-second install. You can reinstall in macOS, pipebus in Linux, or use Winged in Windows. You need a container platform in order to run it so that it has the sandbox. It's going to auto-detect whether you have Docker, Podman, or Colima. It's more like THB client, register, and cloud code. I think so. And then we can do client list, perhaps, list registered. So for instance, you see that I have cloud code, open code, and VS Code registered. Okay, so imagine you want to install a MCP server like a Pokemon MCP. It will be a matter of THB config registering the client. For cloud code, actually this is wrong. It will be more like THB client. It will be THB client register cloud code. And then it's a matter of THB run, the MCP server, as long as it's known by your registry. And then you just can go to cloud code and it will be discovered because the client is registered. Under the hood, it's important to see that those things that you're running with Toolhive are actually real containers. Talking about containers, containers are just processes, at least in Linux. I also have a video about that. I'm putting it here. If you enjoy this kind of videos, please subscribe, because the more subscribers I have, the more reach I can have. So the point is that thanks to Toolhive, less privilege by default, so you are less exposed. Filtered network egress, read-only file system, no host environment, an audit log on every call. And you also have the benefit of having up to 85% token savings. You also have some enterprise-grade features like custom registries, encrypted secrets, virtual MCP, semantic tool search, Kubernetes operator, and agent skills. So the thing about this tool is stop fighting with MCP configs and start shipping, because then you have your MCPs in control. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.